Today's video, I'm going to show you how to copy an invoice in QuickBooks Online. Whether you run a small business or manage finances for a larger organization, being able to quickly duplicate an invoice can save you a lot of time and make your bookkeeping tasks much easier. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to QuickBooks Online. On the main screen, click the Sign In button to get started. Make sure to select QuickBooks Online when prompted, since the interface can vary slightly across different QuickBooks products. Next, enter your login credentials, your username and password, and click Continue. This will take you to your main dashboard where all the QuickBooks magic happens. Now, focus on the left-hand menu and click on Accounting. This is where you manage everything related to incoming cash flow. Under Sales, click on Invoices to see a list of all your past invoices. On the Invoices page, you'll notice a small drop-down arrow next to each entry. Locate the invoice you want to duplicate and click that arrow. From the options that appear, select Duplicate. This will create an exact copy of the invoice you selected. The duplicated invoice will open up, giving you the chance to make any necessary changes. You can update the date, adjust item details, or correct any errors from the original invoice. Be sure to carefully review all the details, including amounts, descriptions, and customer information. Once you're happy with the edits, click the Save button, usually located at the top or bottom of the page. Your revised invoice is now saved and ready to be sent to your customer, and there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've duplicated an invoice in QuickBooks Online. This little trick can really streamline your workflow and cut down the time it takes to process similar transactions. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have more questions or want to explore other QuickBooks features, check out our other guides or reach out to QuickBooks support. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Happy bookkeeping!